है शिखा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फूड फन लर्न बाय शिखा एक बारी फिर से। आज की वीडियो में मैं खड़ी हूँ ठाकुर विलेज में, जो कि लोकेटेड है कांदीवाली ईस्ट में। जब भी कांदीवाली ईस्ट का नाम आता है तो सबसे फेमस जो प्लेस आती है खाने पीने के मामले में वो है ठाकुर विलेज। तो ठाकुर विलेज को मैंने पहले भी कवर किया है, जहाँ पे मैंने कवर की थी यहाँ की बेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट फूड ऑप्शंस। बट आज की वीडियो में मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ यहाँ की बेस्ट स्ट्रीट फूड ऑप्शंस, जो कि आप ट्राई कर सकते हो whenever you feel hungry, especially during the evening time। तो ठाकुर विलेज हमेशा अपने बेस्ट फूड आइटम्स के लिए फेमस रहा है, खास करके यू कैन से द फ्यूजन फूड आइटम्स। तो चलिए करते हैं एक्सप्लोर। सिंस ठाकुर विलेज इज़ फुल ऑफ फ्यूजन फूड, तो मैंने सोचा आज डोसा पाव भाजी के अलावा लेट्स जस्ट ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट। तो मैं सबसे पहले आई हूँ चीज़ी मैगीज़ा स्टॉल पे। सो इट्स जस्ट अ स्मॉल कार्ट दैट प्रोवाइड्स यू विद many different types of Maggies, and moreover this cart is famous for giving different types of tacos as well. So seeing so delicious tacos, I also ordered one. So I ordered an exotic veggie taco. So you might have seen the preparation. So in the preparation they have used some salsa that is full of veggies, and apart from that उन्होंने कुछ saute करके vegetables, and they have put a lot of sauce and cheese over it. So you can see tacos तो दिख ही नहीं रहे, it's all full of cheese. So let's just try it up. Really nice and really yummy. It's a basic salsa sauce that they have used, और उसके ऊपर उन्होंने जो वेजिस के साथ और जो चीज़ के साथ टॉप अप किया, so it goes very well. The flavors are going well. It's really delicious. You must try it. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा स्पाइसी है, but not that much. But the salsa sauce that he has used, it's perfect. So the tacos are full of cheese and it's really tangy and it's really crispy as well. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि non crispy है. But if you want to try something different that is full of veggies and with extra cheese, so I guess you must go with the exotic veggie taco of Cheesy Maggiza. जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू द चीज़ी मैगीज़ा स्टॉल अनदर कार्ट जो इसके साथ है वो है मुन्ना डोसा सेंटर। तो मैंने यहाँ पे ऑर्डर किया है इनका स्पेशल जीनी डोसा। जीनी डोसा इज़ फुल ऑफ वेजेस, इट्स अ वेजी लोडेड डोसा। सो उन्होंने डोसे के ऊपर ही डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वेजेस डाल के उसको सॉटे किया है, एंड इट इज़ फिल्ड विद लॉट ऑफ चीज़ एज वेल एज क्रीम। तो चलिए सबसे पहले इसको टेस्ट करके देखते हैं कि कैसा है। तो दिखने में तो ये काफ़ी यूनिक है, जस्ट लाइक द कैप ऑफ अ जीनी। सो लेट्स ट्राई इट, हाउ डज इट गो। गुड, इट्स क्वाइट यमी। इनफैक्ट आपको जो इन्होंने साथ में करी सर्व किया है, आप जब इसको टेस्ट करते हो you get a full you can say a burst of cream and cheese in your mouth. So it's really fully loaded of cream and cheese and it's very yummy also. अगर आप डोसा ना भी खाओ तब भी आप अकेले ये करी उसके साथ खा सकते हो। it's that much yummy. उन्होंने इसके ऊपर इसको अच्छे से गार्निश भी किया हुआ है विद कोरिएंडर, तो उसका फ्लेवर भी मुझे काफ़ी प्रोमिनेंट लग रहा है। एंड ऑब्वियसली वेजिस तो आ ही रहे हैं, बट काफ़ी यूनिक और काफ़ी डिलीशियस है। इट्स अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल डोसास। नॉर्मल डोसा में हम हमेशा करी पत्ते का फ्लेवर ज़्यादा आता है, बट दिस डोसा इज़ अ यूनिक, जस्ट लाइक इट्स नेम जीनी डोसा। से इट्स अ फ्यूजन डोसा, जो अगर आप क्रीम और सालसा सॉस टाइप ऑफ अगर आप डोसा खाना चाहते हो, सो यू गेट दिस। इट्स रियली नाइस एंड यू मस्ट ट्राई इट वंस। cheesy and creamy dosa, now I have ordered my favorite item, that is the spiral potato. So just crossing 5-6 carts, you will get a cart with the name The Taste. So I have ordered the tandoori spiral potato because I love cheese and I love all the sauces. So let's just try it. Spiral potato is here, so usko unhone obviously spiral potato is deep fried and that's why it becomes very crispy. Potato ko top up kiya hai with some tandoori sauce and with some mayonnaise and obviously peri peri masala as well. So let's just taste it how it goes. Good. पेरी पेरी मसाले का फ्लेवर काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, बट मुझे ये स्पाइरल पोटैटो थोड़ा सा कम क्रिस्पी लगा. अदरवाइज टेस्ट में यू गेट द फ्लेवर ऑफ पेरी पेरी ज़्यादा, नॉट विद द तंदूरी सॉस इन्होंने शायद कम डाली है, इसीलिए आपको तंदूरी फ्लेवर इतना फील नहीं होगा. But otherwise it's good but not the best one till now what I have tasted, because I have tried many other spiral potatoes but it's not the best one, but it's an okay one. If you wish to eat spiral potato here in the Thakur village, then you can go for it. Now I came to another cart with the name Cheesy Bite. So from Cheesy Bite I have ordered a pink sauce pasta with extra cheese and some garlic bread also. So I had a word with the भैया, तो उनसे मैंने पूछा that what's the best thing that you sell in your cart. So he said that हमारे जैसा pink sauce pasta कोई भी नहीं बनाता, तो you must try that. So you can see the pasta is fully and loaded with cheese. मुझे पास्ता तो कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा, I have to search out for that underneath. So let's just taste it. It's piping hot and it's really cheesy. You get a very prominent flavor of cheese in this. It's fully loaded with cheese and the spices wise also it's normal, it's not that much spicy. You get a flavor of oregano and chili flakes also, and since there are so many veggies in this, that is also giving a very good you can say a taste to the pasta. Really nice. So if you are a cheese lover, जिसे cheese खाना बहुत पसंद है, that person must try this pasta. Next we have is, so I also ordered a garlic bread with pasta. So obviously pasta garlic bread के बिना तो अधूरा ही है. So I thought why not to try the garlic bread as well. So I ordered cheesy garlic bread. The bread is normal. You don't get a prominent flavor of garlic in this. But if you try the garlic bread with the pasta, then it tastes best. So another cart that I have came across is with the name Maurya's Chinese Corner. So here you get all the Chinese starters. So I have ordered here first the veg fried rice. Fried rice के साथ उन्होंने एक special चटनी दी है. The भैया said that this is the special chutney. It's not made in the mixer grinder. His mom specially makes it on the silvatta. So let's just try it. How does it taste? Wow. It's really yummy and really delicious. You get a very smoky flavor in the fried rice, and that's what it makes it different from the other fried rice that you eat in the different restaurants. I guess this fried rice is different because of that only. You are getting a smoky flavor, very prominent smoky flavor is there. Now let's just taste their special chutney that is served. Really nice. The chutney is specially made of, I guess, garlic and a lot of chilies because it's a bit spicy. but it tastes well, and I must suggest that you must try this Maurya's fried rice once because it's really good and really nice. So another cart that I saw was just opposite to the Vasant Sagar complex with the name Floor Craft. So this is just a new cart, and they provide a special pizza for you that is made up of durum wheat. So it's not made up of maida. So if you wish to try something healthy in the street food option in Thakur Village, then you can also opt for this. I have ordered here a farmhouse pizza. So it's fully loaded with the veggies, and as you can see, it just looks like a wooden fire pizza जैसे उसमें बनाया होता है. The base is quite thin, and they have topped it up with some tomato or basil sauce and with a lot of veggies and some cheese as well. So let's try it. Really nice. The moment you grab the first bite, you get the flavor of the tomato basil sauce that they have given. Apart from the tomato basil sauce, one more speciality about this pizza is that they have topped this pizza with Parmesan cheese. So this pizza is fully loaded with veggies, as well as it is a guilt-free pizza because it's not at all made up of maida. Just looks like कि आप एक proper Italian pizza खा रहे हो. If you wish to try something healthy in the street food option, then you can surely go with this pizza. तो ये थी कुछ best street food options that you can try in the Thakur Village. So इसके अलावा I will be exploring more street food options of Mumbai as well. तो अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर कर दीजिए, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. जब तक मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो पोस्ट करती हूँ, तब तक के लिए खाते रहिए और मुस्कुराते रहिए.